Welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the broader term economics. What is economics? Economics is a social science that focuses on production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. The study of economics is primarily concerned with analyzing the choices that individuals, businesses, governments, and nations make to allocate the limited resources. Economics has ramifications on a wide range of other fields including politics, psychology, business, and law. Economics is a study of how people allocate scarce resources for production, distribution, and consumption, both individually and collectively. The field of economics is connected with and has ramification on many other such as politics, government, law, and business. The two branches of economics are microeconomics and macroeconomics. Economics focuses on efficiency in production and exchange, gross domestic product GDP, and the consumer price index CPI are two of most widely used economic indicators. Understanding the economics. Assuming humans have unlimited wants with a world of limited means, economists analyze how resources are allocated for production, distribution, and consumption.